Hey, what's up guys? This is Mario from Trade of the Day, and today's video I'm going to talk about, is the stock market dead? Now, kind of literally. Well, the reason why I say that is because there's no volume in the stock market. I don't know what is going on. It doesn't even know what to do. It's the weirdest thing I've ever seen. And then I'm gonna start showing you the charts, and I'm gonna go over the sectors and also some of the FANGs, the sector strength and technology stocks they're leading, to kind of show you how the underlying of the stock market looks like. All right, guys, let's get started. So let's go quickly show you guys a one-year chart of the S&P 500. That's something I love to do, just to kind of give a overview so everybody understands what's been going on last year. So you guys can see it's been a very nice, smooth trend a whole year. And that's what we call nice uptrend bull market. And that's literally been the last, 9 months out of the year. In the last 3 months, all of a sudden we get some crazy volatility, huge moves that spooked a lot of people out of the market. But we got a nice little bounce here, actually in early February on this day, with high volume, and that's what we're looking for right now. And we're not seeing it. So we did have this nice move, this nice bounce, this nice hammer candle, and a nice bounce. And we saw this hold of the support level, bounce again, but it couldn't hold the support level again, and it cracked down. But now we're testing the 200-day moving average. And I'm going to show you guys that right now, the 200-day moving average. You guys kind of see that. That's a very, very, very important level that a lot of, again, investors, traders around the world are looking at. We're testing it. The only thing that I am concerned about, that we are testing it, but with low volume. See that? We have bigger red candles and smaller green candles, meaning that the bears are in control. Right now, the bears are in control, and if you guys can see that, it looks like it's consolidating. Almost looks like it's bear flagging. And actually, let me show you guys what a bear flag looks like, because this could break down if we don't see bigger volume. Again, today there was a bounce, but the volume was just weak. We need something like this day, like February 9th, with this huge hammer candle to really give us a push up in the market, but it's looking weak. I'm not gonna lie, guys. And let me just show you guys a bear flag pattern, so you guys can kind of see what I'm talking about. So actually, yep, here it is. So this is what it looks like, a bear flag pattern, where it's kind of consolidating. There's a sell-off consolidating, but then we're gonna have a next move down. So see that? Next move down. See the little bear flag, and boom, next move down. So see that? That's kind of what it looks like. But again, we don't know yet. We're gonna have to wait. It's all about volume right now. See that? It's perfect bear flag right there. See that? Boom, right there. So again, we don't know what's gonna happen yet. We have to wait and see. But that's kind of, to me, what it's starting to look like. Again, it's testing the 200-day moving average, but again, we don't see big volume bounces like this. And it's starting to consolidate, and it's starting to look like it may break the 200 double moving average. And if that breaks, we're going to see even more volatility and more of a sell-off. So again, it's all about these levels right here. So again, let me show you guys. Let me add actually a trend line, so you guys can kind of see what I'm talking about, the bear flag. But you guys can see this low right here, and it's kind of like it's bear flagging. See that? Let me write it down. Come on. There you go. You guys see that? So it's consolidated in this kind of like bear flag pattern. If it breaks down below this and breaks this low, I think we're gonna see this lower level break and a 200-day level moving average break, and then from there, honestly, guys, this thing could go to 248, 250, even 245. just because, again, it's been selling. Again, bears have control of the market. It's been consolidating. It looks like it's bear flagging, and it may have a next leg down. That's what it looks like. That's what the price action is telling me. Again, I do not see any sort of strength for a bounce. So to me, the stock market kind of does look like it's dying. So again, let me go over the sectors. The only sectors that I see some strength was actually energy, but energy is not doing nothing. Energy was actually the strongest moving sector today. Technology was moving too, but again, low volume bounce. Nothing compared to this day. And again, it looks like it's consolidating to me. Materials, again, small volume bounce. Industrials, again, small volume bounce. Same thing with discretionary. Same thing with financials. The small cap also doesn't have a lot of volume. So to me, all this price action looks like it's consolidating. It almost looked like a bear flag. And actually, biotech, there was a kind of like a nice little bounce, but again, low volume. The nice day was this day, but it was sold off the next day. Healthcare, again, not doing much. Consumer staples, there was a bounce, but again, it's consumer staples is really not trending right now. It's almost like it's sideways. You guys can see that. It's 1 year chart of consumer staples. So this bounce was, due to bound to happen. But and also utility, the same thing as consumer staples, and real investment trust similar to utilities and consumer staples, just literally sideways. So right now, I don't really see a lot of good stuff. I mean, if we look at the FANGs, which is a Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, and Google. I mean, we did get a nice little bounce on Facebook, and again, we'll see if that continues. But again, not a lot of strength, not a lot of volume in that bounce. So I am concerned. We have Amazon. Amazon had a decent bounce, so that's not bad. The decent volume. So hopefully that continues. Apple, let me see Apple. Where's Apple? Apple, again, that doesn't look like a nice candle right there. That's like almost an inverted hammer. You guys can see that. That kind of looks like an inverted hammer. So not looking good for Apple. And Apple is actually a huge component of the S&P 500. So if Apple starts trending down and selling off, it could definitely take the market. Similar to how Facebook, when it started selling off, took down the market. So we have Apple, we have Netflix. Netflix is looking decent, so it's holding this level, so that's good. That's good. I like Netflix. And then Google, again, Google kind of have this little bounce, so this is not a bad bounce. But again, it's really just, to me, Google, Amazon, and Netflix look the best. But again, we'll see. We're gonna have to see next week. But to me, if you look at all the averages of all the sectors, it's this little bounce is consolidating, and it looks like it's bear flagging, and then we're gonna have a leg down. That's what the price action is telling me right now. So again, guys, we don't know yet. We're gonna have to see next week what happens. But I mean, I was actually expecting a nice bounce, some sort of hammer similar to this day, for another rally up and go to new all-time highs. But no, like it literally looks like there's definitely more selling coming. So hopefully you guys learned something from this video, guys. Again, feel free to reach out to me on Facebook or Instagram. Feel free to subscribe. Again, I'll be posting more videos every single day. So hey, have a good one, guys, and see you again to the next one.